Now let's start to dive deeper into the target client problem. So let's take two sub-practice areas within personal injury. So construction accident, car accident, right? Both under the personal injury umbrella. I'm going to show you why going broad and just trying to go after injury is too broad. And the further down the niche, like I said, the more niche, the more rich. It's really, really important that we drive deep into these. So I'm just going to put these up head to head so we can see both of the different fears, pain points, anxieties for both of these, and you can see how they're not the same, right? So we talk about construction accident, right? Somebody who, fear of retaliation. These are all different like sub areas of problems that they might be experiencing if they're in a construction or car accident, right? So worried about being labeled a troublemaker at work, concerned about getting blacklisted in the industry, fear of losing their job or future opportunities. Very common in blue collar, right? If you're in a construction accident, you don't want to be that guy or girl who's kind of like seen as a snitch, who goes against the company and goes against the union or the employees or all that different stuff and sues for an accident. You're supposed to be tough. You work a blue collar job, right? That's important. That doesn't happen in the car accident space. There's other things, right? There's emotional, psychological impact. There's daily life disruption in terms of not having transportation, but for the most part, my mother-in-law just got in a car accident a couple weeks ago, and she's immigrant to this country. She's Colombian, extremely sweet, humble lady, and she feels like she's taking advantage of the system by doing this. She's like, no, I don't want to cause trouble. So this is America. This is what the system is set up for. You're entitled to compensation. If you're in a car accident in Florida, like you could be owed up to $10,000 just like that for being hurt in a car accident, right? And you should take advantage of that because it's disrupting your life. It's causing financial pressure. She doesn't have a car, right? Her insurance doesn't cover her loaners. All her insurance is being a pain in the butt about actually getting her compensated for this. So that's why you need an attorney. So these are things that we want to speak to. And again, we want to understand these different things because this is how we build ads. So when we go through this and we talk about the different specific pain points, anxieties of construction versus car versus slip and fall, or in family law, male versus female, child custody versus non, owning a business, all these different things are different pain points that you have to drill into it, because this is what we're going to use as the baseline to build our ads, because this is how we talk about you and not me. So drilling into target client problems is super, super important, because how can we build an offer to entice people to get off the platform and work with us if we don't know what they're feeling? If we're just talking about ourselves, just saying, we're a law firm, hire us. We've been in business for 35 years. Who cares? I don't care. Why would I care about that? I care about myself. Hey, Ryan here. Hope you liked that video. If you want more, check out these two videos right here on this screen.